What if the things you're chasing have actually been preparing to come toward you, but your mind wasn't ready to receive them? The Stoics believe manifestation isn't magic, it's mental training. And in this video, we're going to explore 10 quiet rules that reshape your inner world so powerfully that the outside world eventually adjusts itself. Rule 1. Begin each day mastering your inner world before you engage with the outer one. Because if your thoughts start scattered, your actions will follow that pattern. But 5 minutes of intentional silence every morning can shift the entire direction of your life. Rule 2. Want less and focus more, because scattered desire is diluted energy. And when you commit deeply to fewer priorities, you don't need more motivation. Your clarity becomes your fuel. Rule 3. Never allow emotions to drive your destiny. Feel them, acknowledge them. But don't let anger, fear, or insecurity become your decision maker, because great mistakes are rarely logical. They're emotional. Rule 4. Obsess only over what you can control. The moment you stop trying to change outcomes, timelines, or people, and instead focus on your effort and character, anxiety loses its grip. Rule 5. Seek discomfort on purpose, because challenge is the training ground for strength. And every time you choose the harder path, you quietly expand your capacity. Rule 6. Build quiet discipline instead of loud motivation. Anyone can talk about goals, but Stoicism teaches that real growth happens when no one is watching, and consistency grows in silence. Rule 7. Detach from outcomes entirely by giving your best effort and releasing the rest, because attachment creates panic, while detachment builds peace, confidence, and long-term results. Rule 8. Transform every obstacle into training, asking what lesson, skill, or resilience this moment is building, because your response to adversity shapes your character more than success ever could. Rule 9. Live as if someone is watching your character, not your results, for results come and go, but integrity builds a foundation that cannot be taken from you. And every day is a chance to practice honesty, courage, patience, and justice. Rule 10. Practice unshakable patience, because every meaningful transformation in relationships, skill, success, or mindset takes time, and impatience usually destroys what consistency could have built. When you combine these principles, something subtle begins to happen. Your emotions calm down, your thoughts gain clarity, your actions become intentional, and the world starts responding to your inner stability. The Stoics weren't chasing manifestation. They were building minds strong enough to handle what life delivered. And ironically, that is exactly why everything moved toward them. So today, choose one rule, apply it deliberately, and tomorrow add another. Because greatness is not a dramatic leap, it's the compounding power of quiet discipline. If this message resonated, like this video, subscribe for more powerful insights, and share in the comments which rule you will begin practicing from today.